Hello, today I'm going to show you how to install the SCOTTLOCK to be used as a truck gun. As you see, we have our cable already tethered around the heavy metal area of the seat and looped back through itself. You see it's secure and it's not going anywhere. You then take your rifle, you place it into the bottom plate of the SCOTTLOCK, install the top plate of the SCOTTLOCK, place the cable over the lock, put the lock through. Your rifle is now secured in the SCOTTLOCK, tethered to the vehicle, and it's that simple. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed our videos on how to install the SCOTTLOCK as a truck gun.
If you have any questions or other comments, go to our website at www.scottlockusa.com.